Hey everyone! If you're looking for a reliable tool to help with digging, turning soil, or handling compost, the 4-Tine garden fork might just be what you need. It's built for tough gardening tasks while still being lightweight and easy to use. Let's talk about its design, performance, and what customers are saying. Let's start with the design. The 4-Tine garden fork comes with a 4-Tine forged steel head, which makes it strong enough to handle compacted or rocky soil. At 45 inches long, the handle provides a good balance of reach and control, reducing the strain on your back. The handle also features a Y-shaped grip for better stability and comfort during use. And weighing just 4.5 pounds, it's light enough to handle for long periods while still feeling sturdy. This fork really shines in heavy-duty gardening tasks. Whether you're turning soil, moving mulch, or working with compost, the tines easily penetrate the ground without bending. It's also a great tool for harvesting root vegetables like potatoes or carrots, offering precision and strength. Now, let's weigh the pros and cons, starting off with the pros. Durable construction. The forged steel tines are tough and long-lasting. Lightweight and easy to use. At 4.5 pounds, it's manageable for most gardeners. Ergonomic handle. The Y-grip design provides added stability and reduces hand fatigue. Now, let's weigh the cons. Limited reviews. There's not a huge amount of customer feedback yet. Handle material. Some users may prefer a handle with additional padding or rubber for comfort. Let's see what customers have left their feedback regarding the product. After reviewing the features, pros and cons, and customer feedback, we have decided to rate it 4.3 out of 5. The 4-Tine garden fork is a great choice for gardeners who need a reliable, durable, and easy-to-use tool. Its sturdy construction and lightweight design make it versatile for a range of gardening tasks. What do you think? Would this be a good addition to your garden shed? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening tool insights. Happy gardening!